Hello friends, welcome back to CAD Practice. Today we are going to construct a 3D part model in Autodesk Inventor software and learn the Autodesk Inventor basic commands. So let's get started. Go to New, take standard part in millimeter and go to Create. Now take a 2D sketch. We'll select here the exact plane, rotate the view. So this will be the top plane. Okay. Now take here a circle command. From the center point, we are going to construct a circle of 55 into 2. Okay, and here make one circle of diameter 60. Similarly here we will make circle of diameter 60. Go to dimension. The center point of this 60 dia and the center point of the center here will be 75 mm. Similarly this from the center point, select the center point, will be 75 mm. Okay, now take horizontal constraint, select the center point, select this center, select this center point and select this center. Now this is fully constrained sketch. Now here take line command and join these circles. Place the line here and here. Similar, select here and here, and one line here and here, and one line here and here. Okay. Now escape. As you can see, this is uneven profile. So to make a smooth profile, we'll take here a tangent constraint. Select the line, select the circle. Similarly, select the line and select the circle. Here we will also do the same. Select this line, select the circle. Okay, it has already taken the tangent constraint, so it will show you the remainder. Cancel this. Select this line and select the circle. Select line, select the circle. Select the line and select the circle. Okay, here also tangent constraint. Cancel. Select line and circle. Now escape. Okay. Now here take trim all the inner profiles. Okay, select this, this and select here. Now escape. Now here you can see it has broken the constraint. So go to dimension, define this as 55 radius. Similarly define this as 55 radius. Okay, so this is fully constrained again. Now finish sketch. Take here extrude. Here we are going to take extrude of 30 mm. Okay, press OK. Now here select this top face, go to create sketch, rotate the view, take here circle command. From the center point, make here a circle of diameter 80. Now finish sketch. Now here take plane, take offset from plane. Okay, and here I'll rotate this, select this bottom face, rotate, and here I'll take a offset of 100 mm. I'll take it in minus direction, so it will come upside. Now press OK. Now select this new plane, go to create sketch, take the circle command. From the center point, make here a circle of diameter 60 and finish sketch. Now here we'll use the loft command. Select this bottom circle and select this top circle. So a joining profile will be constructed between them and press OK. Okay. Now select this new plane, right click and turn off the visibility. Now here select this face, go to create sketch. Here we are going to make a profile, so go to rectangle command, take 2-point rectangle, make a rectangle profile here, go to dimension and we will define this as 40 mm and here define this from center. Okay, or you can just undo this. First go to the fillet command or take the arc command, select this point and make one arc. Okay, escape. Here take concentric constraint, select this and select this. So this will be at a same center point of this arc. Now escape, select this line, make it construction. Okay, now we have a moving profile. This is a moving profile till now. Go to coincident and here select this center point. Okay, center point of circle and select this line. Now escape. Now here you can see this is fully constrained. Now here finish sketch, take extrude. Here take extrude of 4 mm and press OK. Okay. Now I want same profile this side also. Go to mirror, select extrude 2, go to mirror plane, go to origin and here select the YZ plane and press OK. So same profile has been constructed here. Now select this top face, go to create sketch, take circle command. Here we'll drag on this and find the center point and here make a circle of diameter 16. Similarly this side also from center point make diameter 16. Okay, now finish sketch, take extrude, select both the profiles, here take cut and here we are going to take all. So this will be a through cut. Now press OK. Now rotate this profile, select this bottom face and go to create sketch and here take the point command and place point on the center. Finish sketch. Now here we'll select the hole command, go to hole command. We are going to take a simple hole and here seat we will take counter bore. Okay, the top dia here will be of 50 mm and here the depth will be of 20 mm and the bottom dia here will be of 40 mm. Okay, go to home and press OK. So this will be the output. Okay, now here take the chamfer command. Here we are going to take chamfer of 4 mm, select this edge and select this edge. Okay, now press OK. So this will be the profile. Now here take fillet command, take fillet radius of 2 mm and select this edge. Okay, and press OK. So this will be the output. Now here I'll define the appearance. From here I'll take the cyan color. Okay, go to part 1. Here you can see the same. If you want this appearance, so go to part 1. Here select this face or just select the whole command and here we'll give the chrome polish. Similarly here we have constructed from extrude, select extrude 3. Here also define the chrome polished. So these are the feature defined view. Okay, rotate it, you can see here also you can see the chrome polish finish. Go to home. So this was a basic tutorial to how to construct a 3D part model in Autodesk Inventor software and learn the Autodesk Inventor. I hope you like the video. If you do that, please do hit like and subscribe the channel for more such videos. Thank you.